Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. In today's video, I will talk about the best and easiest online earning methods. If you are tired of your life, stressed from family pressure, and feel like you can't do anything, let me tell you, you can do a lot. With low budget and low investment, you can start your Amazon business. You can start your Amazon wholesale business from home and make your family proud. Now, let me explain the easy steps to start an Amazon business. The first step is to create your Amazon seller account. After creating the account, you need to do product hunting. Once you find the product, you buy it, pack it properly, and send it to the Amazon warehouse. When your product sells on Amazon, you will receive the profit directly. Now you might be wondering where to buy the products and where to sell them. The answer is simple. You can buy products through proper sourcing, get them packed properly, and send them to the Amazon warehouse. This is a very easy process and nothing difficult. If you want to start your Amazon business, you can contact me via DM. I will guide you step by step and provide proper instructions. You can run an Amazon business as an individual. But if you want to run a proper business, license and registration services are also available. Just DM me, and I will provide free guidance. Stay focused, follow the proper steps, and work consistently. Thank you for watching.